Are you looking to get in army shape? You want a workout that is twice as effective with half the time, that is strictly made for burning body fat, getting you stronger. It's not only going to test you mentally, but physically as well. Okay, everybody, welcome back to Army Boot Camp Workouts. This one is a doozy. It's called the Final Countdown. This is really going to test you mentally and physically. So, as you can see, we have 10 blocks. We have 10 sets we need to do. All right, and each one, we're going to go down in reps. So, we're going to start with 10 reps, and we're going to go down to 1 rep. All right, the only thing that's different is your jump rope is going from 100 to 10 reps. All right, as you can see, your last set will be 10 1 1. Okay, all you really need for this workout is a weighted object, as you see in the pictures above, right? A timer and a jump rope. If you don't have a jump rope, that's okay. Let's get into this. Okay, getting into the first exercise, we're getting into the jump rope, right? Jump rope is one of my favorite tools. Why? Because it's a great glycolytic burning exercise, and not only that, but it also is a great cardio exercise because it gets your heart rate up as well. I really like the jump rope for the coordination factor, okay? It challenges your coordination. It keeps you as an athlete. You know what I mean? We are combat athletes. Pretty much we need to stay as an athlete, meaning we need to do athletic things. Now I know if you're not in an advanced level, the jump rope may be a little challenging for you, but I highly recommend you buy one and get to the advanced level so you can challenge yourself. Let's get into the next exercise. Okay, so this is called the hand release burpee. Okay, what we're doing is a burpee, obviously, and we are doing a hand release push-up with it. So what we really need to concentrate on is just keeping good form. Don't worry about going super fast at first. I mean, obviously if you want to beat your time, you're going to go faster, but please do not mess up your form. So at first, take your time, make sure we're going all the way down, getting those hands all the way out. We're landing soft, right? And stay on a soft surface. So if you can find some grass, some turf, or just get yourself a yoga mat. As you can see here, I have both. I have a mat and the grass. So I'm staying light on my joints. I'm making sure I'm landing soft. When I land, I'm landing with bent knees. I'm not landing with straight legs, so we don't hurt our joints. Now, as we all know, the burpee is probably the #1 exercise when it comes to burning fat because we are using so many muscles, right? And then once we have our heart rate up, okay, and our shoulders should be burning right now, this is when we want to really push ourselves and get some hand release push-ups for reps, okay? So this is a great challenge. At the end of this set, it's going to burn a lot in your shoulders, a lot in your chest, obviously, and your triceps. Keep your grip nice and close, fingertips inside of your shoulders. And then once we're done with our hand release push-ups, we're going to grab our weight, right? So I like the sandbag. You know, I'm all a big fan of the sandbag. But obviously you can grab dumbbells, you can grab a kettlebell. I like the sandbag so I can throw it up on one shoulder. The weight's all uneven. As you can see, when I take my step, I have to plant, get myself situated, then go down nice and slow, right? And obviously make sure I don't trip over the mat. But I like the sandbag. Like I said, you put it on one shoulder. Now your body's all uneven, so you're using your core muscles more, right? Now I'll switch it up so I keep the body even. And now I'm working this side. Again, this is athleticism. We want to work out like an athlete. We want to challenge our balance, our coordination, right? Flexibility, all that stuff. So make sure, if you want, switch up from the dumbbells and give yourself a challenge. Not only that, but it's a cheap alternative, right? You can get a sandbag for 5 cents, fill it up with sand for free, right? Or if you want to buy some from the Home Depot, you can do that as well. Now we've just finished up one set. You could take a break as long as necessary, as long as you need. But generally in the advanced level, we want to keep the break under 1 minute and 30 seconds. All you high speed fellas and gals out there, you can take 0 break and just go right into the next set. Let's get into the beginner workout now. So the beginner workout is basically the same exact workout, obviously, but it's on your level, so you could start out without getting injured and work your way up to the advanced workout, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 70 side-to-side shuffles, 7 up-downs, 7 hand release push-ups, 7 body weight squats. And on your last set, you're gonna drop down to 10 side-to-side shuffles, 1 up-down, 1 hand release push-up, and 1 body weight squat. So let's get into the workout. Okay, what is a side-to-side shuffle, you're probably asking, and here it is, okay? I like to do it on a sandbag because it'll elevate your leg, it'll work your quads a little more. If you don't have the sandbag, I highly recommend you get one, but if you don't have the sandbag, just put something on the floor so you know that once your left foot touches it, then your right foot's gonna touch it, and vice versa, back and forth. Back and forth. And this exercise is really an excellent exercise, and you can do this on the advanced level as well, and also you can do this with a sandbag on your shoulder, right? And what this does is it gets the inside and outside of our legs. Like I said prior, we want to work like an athlete, so it's not just forward motion all the time, right? Just forward work on the push-ups and forward work on the sit-ups. We have to work out like athletes, combat athletes. So this side-to-side shuffle is definitely going to challenge the inside of your legs, okay, your leg adductors, and the outside of your leg, the leg abductors, giving us more ankle strength, right, giving us more of an athletic movement, keeping us, 1, our heart rate up, but 2, keeping us working like an athlete, right? So next, after we're finished with our side-to-side shuffles, that's 70 on each side. So every time a foot hits the bag, you're gonna count it, right? We're gonna go into our up-downs. Now on a beginner level, I highly recommend you do your up-downs on an incline. You can use the sandbags, right? Or you can use a chair or something at a lower level, because you're not as flexible as people in the advanced level. So you're not able to round your back very much. So keep your back nice and straight, coming down, land soft, stand up, okay? Next exercise, we're gonna go down onto our knees, and we're gonna do the hand release push-up on our knees, all right? And make sure you don't hit your nose on the bag like I just did, and scoot back a little, right? And then you're gonna go down, release your hands, come up, keep your body nice and straight. Do not arch your back, all right? We're working on control. We're working on using those muscles properly so they're getting trained properly. After the hand release push-up, we're going to come up. We are going to get a nice body weight squat form, meaning our feet are a little wider than our shoulders, right? We want to keep our hands in front of us for balance, okay? So when we're first starting out, you're going to be a little unbalanced. I like to cross my arms, or if you really want to get balanced, stick your arms out, right? When you're a beginner, this will help you with your flexibility, and this will help stretch out the right muscles. So the body weight squat, after that, we're going to take our break. As a break, we want to take about 1 minute and 30 seconds to rest up and allow us to get to our next set. Don't forget, we still have 6 more sets after our first set. We're gonna drop down 10 reps with the side shuffle each set and 1 rep with each exercise. So we're gonna go all the way down to set 7, where our final reps will be 10, 1, 1, and 1. And then you're finished. If you enjoy these workouts, I highly recommend you get the 60-day Army Boot Camp Workout Fitness Plan. It's a step-by-step instruction on getting you off the couch to the advanced level.